Hey everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I am so happy that you're here today. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial. For those of you who have been watching my videos closely lately, you guys know that I'm doing a crochet along collaboration with Barb of the Naughty Yarnies and Lorraine of Chatelaine Makes. Two amazing crafters. They both knit and crochet like me, except they're much better at both. So we are making the America Tank, which is a pattern by Jeannie of On the Hook Crochet, and we had our first live yesterday, our cast on party, and we were talking about our cast ons and how you can do a cast on. And I want to share with you how I'm going to do my cast on in a quick little video. Since we really didn't get to cast on, we were kind of talking about a lot of different things, and I really didn't get to show you guys how I'm going to do this. So I wanted to do a quick little tutorial because it's going to be different than how Barb does it and how Lorraine does it. I think, I don't know, they may change their minds. I'm just going by what they said yesterday. You know, everybody's entitled to change their minds. So this was my swatch I did. I'm using True Boo, Lion Brand True Boo yarn, which is 100% rayon from Bamboo, and this is the color Thistle. It's purpley blue, gorgeous yarn. It has lots of really nice drape. You can see how it's flowing. It's not stiff at all, which I'm excited about. This is just a double crochet swatch, and I kind of like the openness of it. I live in a warm climate. I'll probably wear like a little small tank top under it. The thing I wanted to mention is the bottom of this I did with where you make a chain, and then you go back into that chain to create to start your project. And as you can see, that's how I did that. That's the bottom of it. Maybe if I get a little back, there you go. And you can see I'm pulling on this, and there's really not a lot of give to this, really not at all. And that's going to be at the bottom of the project because you start at the bottom. So in the live, I talked about, has anyone ever done a chainless crochet foundation where you start like this? There's no chain at the bottom. You just start doing, and you have this is a single crochet because you start with single crochets at the bottom. And this is what that looks like. And you can see it, as you pull it, it's got a lot more kind of give to it, and I have a lot more going on down at the bottom than I do at the top. So I'm kind of wanting to make sure it has a little bit of give. I add on pounds and take pounds off. I add on pounds a lot easier than I take them off. So I kind of need something with a little bit of extra give. So I'm going to do a chainless foundation crochet, single crochet to start. I may have said that wrong. If I did, I apologize. I am a little bit new to crochet because I feel like a newbie because it's been 6 years since I've picked up a crochet hook and done a big project. So I have done crochet projects, and I used to do that. That used to be all I would do, but my brain has a lot of cobwebs on them. So I did do this. I'm going to undo this because I did this in the size hook that I'm going to be used to make the top. And we talked about this as well. You want to do this chainless crochet foundation in a size up. That also gives it a little bit of extra oomph, a little bit of extra room down there. So, and then after you get it started, you go on to the smaller hook to start making your top. So I'm going to turn my camera, show you my hands, and I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet chainless foundation. This has been done a million times, but I just thought it was appropriate for me to do it and to show you how I'm going to start my top because I am doing this project. That's the only reason why I'm really doing it, because I'm sure there are people out there who can do it better than me. You start with a slip knot, I kind of got a long piece of yarn here. This is to my slip knot, but I start with a slip knot. And you want to chain. I'm using a size H hook because I'm going to be using a size G hook for my top. But you chain 2 after your slip knot. And you're going to be creating the chain and then the single crochet. So you go into this loop here, you yarn over and pull up a loop. You do that again, you yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you yarn over and pull through both loops. So you have created the chain and the single crochet. Okay, so you do that again. You go into this last loop right here close to you where you just finished. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Do that again, yarn over. That's the chain. Now you're going to do the single crochet where you yarn over and pull up a loop. And this is the start of your foundation chain crochet, your chainless foundation. You do that again, you go into this, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. And you can do this for double crochet, triple crochet, starting a project. And for this project, I have measured this. You do the back first and then you do the front. I have measured myself from side to side, and I've added some positive ease, and I'm going to crochet this chain for as long as that is, measure it out with a tape measure, and then start going up. That's how I'm going to get started on this project. And I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you guys could see it. And if you guys want to see how this is progressing, please tune into our lives. Our next live is going to be on May the 25th, and we take turns hosting. I hosted the first show, so the second show is going to be on Lorraine's channel, which is Chatelaine Makes. And I'm having a hard time doing this and talking at the same time. So please tune in. We would love to have you join us in making a summer top. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to put them down below. Each one of us is going to be doing a little bit of a different variation, so it should be a lot of fun. And thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that you're here. If you're new here, like talking about knitting and crochet, please subscribe to this channel. We would love to have you here in our family and love to get to know more about you and what you're currently making. For those who are always here, I love you guys. Thank you for being a part of my family. Thank you for supporting me and being the best family on the YouTube channel. I mean that. You guys are awesome. So thank you so much. Hope you all have a lovely day. I will catch you guys very soon.